Hello, everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain to you the tonality in the solo section of minor gaps. So we're dealing with some chord changes here, and we would like to understand the key centers of this chord progression. So understanding key center is very important because we'll be utilizing some chord tone soloing techniques in our solo playing. And if you want to play chord tones, the logical place would be to start with playing chords. So you have to understand these chords well before you move on. So let's play them a few times. So first of all, we have the G minor 9, which is just really a G minor chord. But you can hit the 9th here, the A. Alright. It's the 1 chord, G minor. And then you have the C minor 9, which is the 4 minor. And then a C minor 7. You just move your pinky up. Later on, you have the F11, which is really just the flat 7, dominant 7 chord of the G minor key. And then you have a passing chord here. This one really just leads to the B flat major. And then you have the D7 sharp 5 here. What you have here is the 5 dominant 7 of G minor. So in a minor key, and actually also in major key, the 5 is usually, most of the time, a dominant 7 chord. It's a giveaway, so when you see that, usually it resolves down to the 1 chord, the G minor. So when you see that, it's probably a good sign that this is in this key, so in this case, G minor. So we're in G minor right now. Moving on, we're still in G minor. Pretty much repeat. We're repeating that thing. Sometimes you can add an F here to make it sound like it's a C minor 11. The F11. The passing chord, B flat, a B major. And then we have an E non-diatonic chord here, so E9, sharp 11, which is really just a passing chord. It leads to the next chord, the E flat major, by a half step. Alright, so overall speaking, from bar 30 to 37, we are using G minor or G harmonic minor scale, and later on we'll be touching on some jazzy kind of ideas and melodic tools to solo over a G minor chord progression. So let's move on, and then we move to B flat major. So the E flat is really the 4 major chord of B flat major, and then we move on to the B flat major on D, which is just really B flat major with the 3rd as bass. So the D is the lowest note. It's a B flat major, so the 1 chord, G minor, the 2 minor, and then back to the 1 again. So just regular B major chord. All right. So, but if I've listened to the song 335 from Larry Carlton before, one more time. Sorry, you get the idea. So it's pretty similar, huh? So we're in B flat major. Do that for 2 times. So and then you shift the whole thing by shift the whole thing up by 1.5 step to D flat major. So we have different fingering for them. So you can hit the G flat major here, and then you can play them here. Play the D flat here. All right. So you have the F, and then you have this D flat triad here. All right. You have the E flat minor, which is the 2 minor of the D flat major, and then you have the 1 chord again. Let me do that again for you. So we have the G flat major first, the 4 chord, and then the 1 chord, first inversion, F on bass, and then the E flat minor. All right. So that's it for the chord progression. So to summarize, you have 3 key centers to deal with. You have the G minor, So we'll be using G minor scale, G harmonic minor scale, and along with some other melodic tools to work with. And we'll be in section F with 2 key centers. We'll be working on B flat major. We'll be using B flat major scale and also D flat major scale. So 3 key centers. So play these chords a few times to get used to this kind of a chord change. And I will see you in the next video when you're ready.